Good morning, stamping friends. How is everyone doing today? My name is Lorri Heiling, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I am really excited to share with you. However, today is taped because I am not in Cave Creek, Arizona today. I am actually on the Stampin' Up! Incentive trip, and we are cruising to Norway. We are also spending some extra days in London before we leave on the cruise, so I know that I'm gonna have a great time, and that's where I'm at right now. Also, Norway is near and dear to my heart because that is where my roots are from. I am Norwegian, and I like lefse, and so anyway, it's just a really fun treat for me to visit where my ancestors came from. So that means today we are doing something a little bit different than I normally do. I'm going to give you a sneak preview of what my online card club looks like. And so before I mailed them out to everyone, which they got them super early this month because I needed to get them out before I left on this trip. But I'm going to show you everything they got in there, and I don't know, it just gives you a little preview of what an online card club is. And so I hope that you'll join me next month because we're using a really fun stamp set, and be sure to check out my blog and my Facebook pages and you can read more about it. I will also put a link to the sign up in my post area, and then that way you can sign up and give it a try. Remember, there's no commitment. You just sign up for 1 month and it's a recurring payment, and if you try it 1 month and you want to continue, you don't have to do anything. If you try it 1 month and you say, okay, this isn't for me, then it's easy to just go in and cancel your payment. So, all right, let me turn the camera around and I will share with you what we made for the May Club. Today I'm going to share with you a sneak preview of what the May Online Card Club members got. As you know, I have explained the Online Card Club, but many of you may be new to my channel and have not seen this. But I do a monthly card kit, and everything is cut out and ready for you. All you have to do is stamp and adhere everything. You get a kit shipped to you each month, and there's 8 cards and envelopes, 4 card designs, 2 of each. And then I choose one stamp set or bundle that's featured in that set. Now, in this price that I've advertised, the stamp set bundle is not included, but I always offer it as an add-on item, and it's very much discounted. Then you also get around $20 of Stampin' Up! Products that are used to create the projects that are inside. And then an extra perk that I've added is if you're part of my online card club for 6 consecutive months, you get a bonus of $25 in free products that I include in with your last month's kit. Now, the way you sign up is you just sign up by the 10th of each month so that you can get in on that month. Now, if you sign up after the 10th, you will roll over to the following month because I have to have a cutoff spot where I can, get the order in and start assembling. Now, membership is a recurring PayPal monthly payment of only $38. Remember I said earlier you get $20 worth of Stampin' Up! Products, and this $38 includes the shipping. We all know how much shipping has gone up. Plus, you get 8 cards and envelopes and all the pieces that go to make those projects. Now, you can join or cancel at any time, and the PDF tutorials will be emailed by the 25th of each month. Also, along with the kit, each month will be mailed. And then I also announced the next stamp set bundle that we will be using for the following month. So that's basically how this works. I also have a video on my blog if you want to see it in a little bit more detail. But like I said, we are going to take a peek at the May Online Card Club. So this is what it looks like all packaged up. I always put a sticker on the outside so that you know the month and the year of when this took place. And I also write what bundle I chosen to feature. So these are the stamps and dies that go with this project, with the projects inside. All right, so let's dig in and I'll show you everything everyone got. By the way, the reason I put those stickers on is, as we know, sometimes life happens and we can't always get to these right away, but by putting everything in the envelope, if you need to go back to it, you'll know the stamp bundle and the date that they were sent out in case you have to match up the PDF that is emailed to you. All right, you can see right on top, I always include a little treat with my online card club kits, and this one happens to be a little treat holder, and I use the Crafting With You bundle to create this little thing. It's really cute. Normally I'd put chocolate in there, but in Arizona you would have chocolate soup and it would be all over your project, so I had to choose a hard candy. But it's a little Werther coffee and cream, or coffee and caramel little candy, so I think you'll enjoy that. All right, so that's our extra little treat that you get. Now for the products that you're going to get, you will get a half of roll of all these ribbons. This is what a ribbon bundle looks like. It's called Sheer Ribbon Combo Pack, and you get, well, these are all 5 yards, but I split them in half, and so each color you will get 2.5 yards of these, and these you will be using in the project. Now, like I said, I always put $20 worth of product in, and I don't ever go under that, so this brought it up. I needed just a tiny little something to get it up to $20, so you will get your own dimensionals for this one. It's the mini dimensionals. You'll also get a full pack of Tinsel Gem 4-pack, and many of these colors are going to be used in the projects. There's one more color up here that you can't see in the package. Let me show you. Well, I have mine that have already been opened. They look like this, so they coordinate with the colors that we're using. And the other product that we're going to get, let me skip this for now, is you are getting half a pack of the memory, or the Bright and Beautiful Memories and More cards and envelopes. They're on page 135 of the catalog, and you'll get 5 of each of these designs. I'll show you the live one here. And the coordinating envelopes are so pretty. So the reason you're going to get 2 blank ones is because I had extra, because I did our 8 projects here, and then half of a pack is 10, so these are the extra 2, and it's 1 of each. So that's what those look like. They're a little bit bigger than our A2 cards, and just for curiosity, they are about 6 1/4 by 4 1/4, so they're nice sized. And then let me show you the envelope. You'll get extra envelopes too. And aren't they pretty? They're all the same, so they're going to coordinate with both of these. I just love this pack. This goes well with so many of our stamps. And you know, you don't even have to use them for the Memories and More card pack. If you're more of one who doesn't like to just paste on pre-printed words, which is fast and easy, and you like to stamp more, then this would be a good fit. So then the other things are, I just have the different kits. Here's 1, 2, 3, and 4, and I'm not going to show you these because I want this to be a surprise to the ladies who are getting these, but you can be assured that I think you will really enjoy these, because I just love this bundle, and if you follow me or like my style of stamping, I can almost guarantee that you will like them. So that's what you get in the kit. And then let me share with you the bundle one more time in case you haven't seen this. It's called Crafting with You, and isn't this cute? I love this set. And if you're a crafter, whether you're a stamper or an artist that likes to paint, or a sewer or a knitter, there's just something for everyone here. Or maybe you know someone who enjoys crafting, then you could make them a special card for them. And then these are all the dies, which I've shown you before, but I think you'll like this. So the deadline is always passed. It has already passed for May, but if you'd like to get in on the June online card club, then be sure and sign up, and I will make sure that you get your packet. I don't always show a lot of people say, why don't you show the previews of your cards? There's 2 reasons. The first one is because many times I'm still creating, and sometimes I've been known to, up to the last minute, keep creating and just come up with something and I didn't have time to do it. The other one is, part of the fun is it is a surprise, just like how our paper pumpkin works. It's just kind of fun to get a surprise in the mail. You get a little bit of an idea of what this bundle might be about, and if it, you know, is something that interests you. But I just think it's kind of fun to get a surprise, and so that's why I typically don't share. But I like to give little previews from time to time, just because many of you don't maybe know what it's all about. So this hopefully will help you. Well, thank you so much. And if you want to order anything, please visit my online store and then use the host code right here. This is good through this month and a little bit into June. And then if your order is over $50 before tax and shipping, then you will receive some Stampin' Up! Product from me in the mail, just one little, maybe an embellishment or whatever my choice is that month. And then I'll also send you a thank you card. All right, you guys have a great rest of your week, and we will see you next Tuesday morning at 9 a.m. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.